thing you're going to do, obviously, is look at it being it's got this here. A lot of doors have got this here. That has to be caulked. The reason of that being caulked is so moisture doesn't get inside and get into the hollow part of the door and finish tearing it on up. First thing you're going to do is caulk everything. You're going to pull your weather stripping off because you're going to be painting this as well, and you don't want to get it on your weather stripping. The next thing, as far as prep goes, you're going to want to sand this door. If you run your hand over this door, you can feel every little hair, fiber, bump, whatever that's on it. You want the door to be smooth. You're going to take a sanding sponge and you're just going to lightly sand the door all over. Your dust brush, dust it off. Now, me preferably, if it has hardware on it, per se, a door handle or your lock here, I go ahead and take it off. You don't have to. You can paint around it just as is. But 9 times out of 10, you're going to get a little bit of paint right there in the crack and what have you, and it just doesn't look real good. So you take it off, set it to the side, you're able to paint your door, and after it dries, put it back on, and it looks like it's never been touched before. So it just looks better that way. Same scenario on the inside here. As you have this lip on the outside, you also have one on the inside that needs to be caulked as well. Any holes that may be on the door, I have painter's putty or spackling, whichever you would like to use. You can use either one. Fill your holes up real good and be sure that they're smooth and there's no cat eyes. Cat eyes means that you can still see a little hole. You'll see a little black area somewhere. It means you don't have enough spackle or putty in it. So you want to pack it until it's smooth and flush with whatever surface that there is.
Follow and subscribe for more.